Yo, 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 good people. Your favorite drum coach is back. You know what it is out here. You already read the title, so you know what it is. We're going to get right into it, man. 3 simple notes, right, left, left. But we must accent the right hand and ghost note the left hands. We're not going to waste no time. I'm going to get right into the examples. This is what it's supposed to sound like. Check it out. Okay, now that we have that, let's just add one note to it. Let's add a kick, but we're going to put it at the end. So we have right, left, left, kick. Remember, right hand accented, left hands are ghost noted, and the kick, you better play the kick loud and proud. Okay, now that we have the pattern down, it could be a little boring just keeping it right there on the same surface. So let's get a little bit more fun with it. Let's move our right hand around the kit, keeping the left hand steady on the snare as ghost notes. Check it out. Okay, now that we done moved it around the kit, let's be creative when we move it around the kit. Don't go in the same way every single time. Hit random surfaces with your right hand. Check it out.
Drummers who are looking to improve your chops, your drum fills, your overall creative flow. We both know that social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube are some of the worst places to learn online. I mean, yeah, the information's free, but you're still left alone to figure out what to do with all that information. But I mean, hey, there are a ton of videos and they are super entertaining. I mean, so much so that they distract you from the fact that you're not actually improving as a drummer. So obviously the question is, how are we different? Well, here it is in 4 simple steps. So number 1 is clarity, which means we assign you a dedicated drum coach who's going to start you with a skill assessment so that we can get clear on what's holding you back from playing with the freedom that you want. And number 2, from there, we diagnose the constraints in your technique, and then we assign you a practice routine that takes you from where you are to your desired outcome. And this is where our concept stacking method comes in to help you overcome hurdles in your technique, but while building your drum fill and your chop vocabulary at the same time. And then number 3, we show you how to apply what you're learning to the music you play. Because I mean, what good is learning any of these chops or any of this stuff if you can't apply it to the music you play? But we don't stop there. We also show you how to experiment with every concept that you mastered. That way, you don't leave our club as a copycat of us, but you'll actually find your own voice and have your own sound. And number 4, which is probably the biggest difference maker, is that we hold you accountable and support you for 52 weeks straight. That means you'll always know what to practice, and you'll be required to show proof that you're actually practicing. And your coach is going to give you feedback every week, face-to-face on Zoom, so that you're crystal clear on what you need to do to have another successful week of practice. That's what makes us different, and that's why our club members get the results that they do. Don't believe me? Good. You shouldn't. The good news is that you don't have to take my word for it. If you click the link, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see a bunch of videos of our past and current club members telling you exactly their experience in our club. And I get it, even with me being super direct in this video, you may still feel like what I'm saying is too good to be true and is probably a scam. But we've been teaching online since 2012 on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, our own websites. We've also been featured in Modern Drummer as guest clinicians and instructors. So we're not some fly-by-night scheme that hasn't been here for a while. So with that said, I'd love to invite you to a free Shed Camp Club demo for 2 reasons. 1, to show you what's happening on the back end so you can see what everyone else is doing. And 2, to dive deep into your unique goals, your challenges, and kind of see if we can help. And if it makes sense, we'll talk about the Shed Camp Club. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna be the first one to tell you. However, if you're ready to commit to real results, then click the link, book a free demo, and we'll get clarity on whether or not what we have is the absolute perfect fit for your unique situation. All right, we'll talk soon.
Good. Now we can actually turn this into a drum fill. And we just gonna play this as some good old 16th notes. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. And we must add groove to it. Here's some examples. Check it out. Good people, that's it. That's the whole lesson. We not wasting no time. I done already told you in the beginning we're going to get right to it. And so now we just got to get up out of here. But before I go, keep in mind that this is just a YouTube video. You can't watch this and think, oh yeah, I'm going to just be able to do it. Some people may, but not all. You have to actually work on this. And if you notice, the example started really slow because that's what true practice is. All right, good people, that's it. Seriously, I'm done. I'm going to get on up out of here. I'm going to leave you with that, but there's more on the way. Peace.